Selective mid-cap IT.
Okay, all right. Well, the other big event, of course, is the budget that's right around the corner. Generally, it's a financial statement. We don't expect too many, developments on the budget day itself. But let's just put together a quick snapshot of what to expect. And then I want to toss the question to you, Pratik. Now, there are a couple of things. One, there's an extension of the corporate tax rebates for green manufacturing. And we do know that in this whole green manufacturing renewable space, Reliance has a huge investment that they've made, 75,000 crores. There are EV manufacturers as well, like Tata Motors, TVS, that could be in focus. Apart from that, everyone's expecting this to be an infra-heavy and capex-heavy budget. There's an expectation of a 15% rise in the budget spends on roads and railways. You've seen stocks like L&T at a fresh 52-week high as well, so that will be on our radar as well. Now, there could be a significant 20% boost to rural infra schemes. So this could be either housing for all or village roads, etc. This is in general positive for cement as well as for rural spending. And we have seen how up until now, a lot of the capex has been government driven. Now, the government is looking to broaden that to private-led capex as well. So, cement, metals, etc. could be in focus. Apart from that, rural spending schemes, NREGS could be positive for staples. So look out for names like HUL. There is a potential hike in the FPI limit in banks and insurance companies to 100% from 74% earlier. That could be positive for private banks as well as for insurers, so keep that in mind. A couple of other quick things, an insurance amendment bill that may address the composite licenses, the changes to the solvency issue, etc. And that could impact a lot of these insurers, whether it's SBI Life, HDFC Life. Tobacco taxation, we always talk about that. Up to a 5% increase is something that could be good for ITC, because if it's anything more than that, the street could take it negatively. Privatization candidates, names like IDBI Bank, Concord, Shipping Corp, BEML are in focus as well. Now, a point that, of course, is a bit tricky for the market is the indication of any kind of potential change to the capital gains tax regime. Jefferies put out a note where they say that there is a possibility of an increase in equities capital gains tax. There's a possibility of the change in the definition. Of course, it will be negative for the market if it comes through. But Pratik, from all of this that I stated, anything that you think could be market moving, sector or stock-wise?
No, so